that there's a little bit of a reflection in the very corner. So in the buds right there, that that is actually really cool. So again, very small things in life that make me happy. Hey everybody, welcome back to Jermaine's Promo, and today we will be doing an unboxing of the Galaxy Buds Plus Red Edition, which just became available along with the Cloud Blue. Now there is 3 colors in front of me here, which is red, white, and blue. There is a 4th color that's not in this video, which is black. All of these are available as of right now on Samsung.com as well as Amazon, and I'll be placing the link for the red one right below the video inside of the description. So if you already own the Galaxy Buds but you're curious on the difference between the Buds and the Buds Plus, the main key differences really fast is that it's almost double the battery life. It went from 6 hours all the way up to 11 hours of playback. With the case you can get 22 hours. You also have an additional speaker inside of each bud, so it will sound a little bit louder, a little bit better, definitely a better quality, as well as call quality, because there is an additional mic on the outside that's able to cancel the outside noise. It charges just a little bit faster, and you also have an additional sensor on the top of the Galaxy Buds Plus that allows you to change the volume. So how about we go on in and we open up the Cloud Blue first, and one of the things I will be testing in this video is one of the really cool brand new animations that you get with the Galaxy Buds Plus. So because I open up the white version, you can see the white version here. It lets you know the left, the right, as well as the case's battery life. When you have the original Galaxy Buds, it only really just kind of popped up a screen letting you know what each earbud was, but not the case. So it looks really cool. So the cool thing about it is that we will be opening up, this Cloud Blue, also the red, and I want to see the animation change the colors on the screen with each one that we open. So let's go through and let's open up this blue. Now, as you lift off the cover on the very top, there is going to be a little sleevelet. So when you lift this up, you'll have your warranty and basically your getting started information. Now, inside of this small little white box on the bottom, this will have everything that you need for your Galaxy Buds. This will be your USB Type-C cable, and you also have your indicators of left and right for your wingtips as well as your earpieces. And I highly suggest placing in the largest size possible that fits inside of your ear, because it completely knocks out all of the sound around you and it just sounds way better, just giving you a little bit better bass sound and everything else all around. So once you take off this little sleeve here, you open this up and then your phone is basically gonna almost find it right away. But just make sure that you have your most up-to-date Galaxy wearable application right here, and check that out. It already shows blue. Super excited about that. Let's get this thing connected, and then we'll be able to check out the red pair right after this. So through here, we're just going to agree. Next, got it. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to close this, open it back up, and I want to see this animation pop right back up. You're going to get a lot of really cool information when you first open this, and it looks like a new version of software for your earbuds is ready to download, so you want to make sure that you do that so you can get the most out of the buds. Turn on your ambient noise. It's actually really nice. You can have it either on low, medium, high, so if you are going to be at the gym, if you're running outside, it definitely comes in handy. Normal just means your equalizer is off, but I usually place mine over in dynamic. It sounds really good. For your touchpad, this is one of the things that I love about this one, is that I can actually lock the touchpad so I don't accidentally skip the song or change the sound when I don't want it to kind of go through, because a lot of times at the gym I might be kind of repositioning or changing it. So locking of the touchpad is fantastic. You'll also be able to go inside of advanced, make sure that you have the use ambient sound turned on for calls. So this way you can actually keep the buds in your ear and it does not sound muffled on the outside. And then you can also go inside of the labs and you can turn on your gaming mode. So now that we're done with this one, let's head over and let's open up the red. This one's actually a gift over for the fiance, so she gets the Cloud Blue. Now this red version over here is going to be for me. I mean, I already have the white version. It's really cool. Everything is going to be the exact same no matter what color of the Galaxy Buds Plus you get, but this one just looks super cool. So here it is. You can see it's very glossy. So let's take a look again. Everything inside this box will be the exact same. The charging that is inside of here, the cable is going to be black, so it gives it a really good contrast between red and black. Again, you will be able to notice the left and the right indicators. These will be basically the mediums and the larges, and so I always place the large in my ear just because it gives it the best sound. And then let's just pull this guy on out, take off the sleeve. And then this is what it looks like. I mean, it looks cool. Some people, I think I had one comment that mentioned that it kind of, I don't know, look cheap, but I think it looks really cool. Inside here, it has that black contrast, so it really makes that red pop out. So now all we're gonna do is I'm just gonna get out of this. I'm gonna close out of everything. Let's open this right back up. So then this way your Galaxy phone will be able to pick up the brand new Galaxy Buds Plus. And there it is. That is awesome. I mean, it's the little things in life that just makes you smile. And looking at this screen here, seeing that red color is just so beautiful. Again, you do need to download the new version for the Galaxy Buds Plus this way. It's actually going to add a couple features as well when you do, because these are still brand new. It doesn't have some of the other features that I wanted to talk about just because it doesn't show on here just yet. But again, you have your ambient sound. You have it on low, medium, high. I usually place mine over in dynamic. Go through your notifications on what you actually want to come through, what you listen to. For the touchpad, I usually like to lock it. And then underneath the left and the right, I mean, again, I don't really use this that much, but I do actually tap the top of the Buds Plus to change the volume. So when you lock the touchpad, you're locking this area, not the sensor that's on the top. For the advanced, might as well go through. Ambient sound for phone calls is fantastic. It's talking about the update. Let's go inside of labs. So this is actually what I was kind of looking for beforehand. It actually did not show here. So this has a additional update, because remember when I showed you that cloud blue, it did not show all of these. It actually only had gaming mode. So this is where you can have extra high ambient volume, double tap the earbud edge. So that was what I was talking about. But once you do the update for your Buds Plus, you will actually get all three options here. And you can turn on gaming mode, because it actually does make it go just a little bit faster. But if you play like PUBG, it will be quite a bit off still. There's only one headset that I've used that was really close to actually being right on point with every single, shot and step. But I'll share that with you a little bit later on. So this is what you'll get when you actually update that cloud blue from what you just saw earlier, but there's still a small update here. More or less probably a small fix just to make sure it has a better connection. And right there you can actually kind of see that there's a little bit of a reflection in the very corner. So in the buds right there, that that is actually really cool. So again, very small things in life that make me happy. And then one more time, let's just kind of look at that graphic with the application shut, opening up the Galaxy Buds Plus. You know what? It actually doesn't show red here for some reason. Maybe it will with another really small update. But again, when you actually go inside of the application itself, this is where you can see that color red. But that is the unboxing of red as well as cloud blue. And here we are just representing red, white, and blue. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. Subscribe right over here in the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.